Hi, my name is Catherine at Empowered Frontiers. I am here to do a review on Mobile Moolah. What is Mobile Moolah? It is a 100% brand new system. You can operate Mobile Moolah from any kinds of mobile phone that is connected to the internet. It is a monetization product that gets you paid for using your phone. It has a step-by-step training that will optimize your return in the purchase of the product. You get free support. It will ensure that you make money or they will pay you $250. Here you come to the sales page, and it continues to tell you the benefits where you can get paid over $100 per hour to use your cell phones. Thousands of people are making money with Mobile Moolah. Even total beginners are profiting. There are zero expenses needed and a 180-day money-back guarantee. Here on this sales page, you can scroll through and read through the testimonial of those who have purchased the product and benefited from it financially. Okay, should you decide to buy this product, you will come into this members area. Under this profit finder, you will be able to find profitable affiliate products to promote. It gives you the type of products with the information that you need to choose which product that you wanted to promote. Then there is this website builder. Having chosen the products to promote, you need to advertise by pre-selling the products with Mobile Moolah website builder. Now, unlike any other website builder in the market, this is a very simple and easy to use website builder specifically designed for you to get results using mobile phones. It will also help you to create pre-sale pages with easy plugins. Once you have created the multiple pre-sale pages, you can send traffic to make money. Under this traffic engine, you can drag traffic to pre-sales pages that you have created and use different social platforms to promote. There is also upgrade, which I'm going to talk about it later on, and the support system that you will get with this product. Here I would like to show you what are the vendor bonuses are. Bonus number 1 is 15K in 7 days with the Done For You kit. Bonus number 2 is $300 per day accelerator. Bonus number 3 is a free traffic machine. Bonus number 4 is the online store weird and profitable niches. Bonus number 5 is 3K in 24 hours blueprint. A surprise bonus where first 100 buyers get Mobile Moolah Atomic upgrade. Should you decide to buy this product, do click on to the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. Should you decide to buy the product, do click on to any of the yellow buttons to secure your copy of the software and your bonuses. Now there is the prizes and upsells. At the front end, you will get Mobile Moolah at $17. It comes with the software and training module. These various upgrades are catering for different people with different circumstances. They will choose one that will be suitable for them, that will maximize their returns in purchasing this product. However, I do recommend you to take up upsell number 1, which is Mobile Moolah Unlimited. This will activate the product to its full potential to gain the maximum results. It's a demo video on Mobile Moolah, right? Do click on it and have a listen. It will guide you through how this software works. Should you decide to buy this product under my link, you will get some specifically selected bonuses from me. Bonus number 1 is my email marketing app to generate money on daily basis. This app has an autoresponder to create squeeze pages with easy to use email toolkit. It also comes with 2 traffic methods to build your email list to help you make money effectively. Here you will get as many products as you can promote of any niche. It will show you how to promote to get the results. Bonus number 3 is my 3 favorite traffic sources. Here you will get to learn the 3 different paid traffic methods to use on your pages to get quick results. Bonus number 4 is how to make money by giving away freebies. Here you will be guided on accessing the freebies to send traffic to and in return make sales for doing it. And bonus number 5 is the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. Let me give you a recap as to what you will get from buying this Mobile Moolah. You will get a brand new system. You will get a free built-in traffic. You will get one-click monetization, copy and paste technology, step-by-step training videos, and 5 bonuses, including my 4 bonuses, all valued at more than $7,000, which you are getting it for $19. So should you decide to buy this product, do click on to any of these yellow button here to secure your copy of the software and bonuses. Thanks for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you next time.